Here we are at our newest listing. It's a Garden Park Estates. What floor plan, Jeff?
Plan 8, Garden Park Plan 8.
It is 2 stories. It is 5 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, super close to an amazing park. Which one?
That would be Edgar Park.
So great. You've got after school care there. You've got soccer games. You have horseshoe pits. This is such a gorgeous street where curb appeal is everything. We're so excited for you to come take a look.
Come on in. Thank you for watching, and remember to see more videos of homes like this, subscribe down below, and please give us a thumbs if you like this video.
And if you want your own private tour, contact us today. Thanks for watching.
Bye for now.